Lamborghini has reaffirmed its commitment to international motorsport and today launches the new Temerario GT3, the very first race car derived from the Temerario road model. The Temerario GT3, which will compete in race series around the world, sets a new standard for the company's competition cars and is the first to be entirely designed, developed and built at the Sant'Agata Bolognese factory in Italy. Conceived from the outset with a motorsport derivative in mind, the Temerario project has allowed for strategic integration of race-oriented engineering from the earliest design stages. As a result of this innovative approach by Lamborghini, the GT3 features an adapted version of the aluminum spaceframe chassis, specifically modified to meet the structural and serviceability requirements of racing. It is powered by the same 4-liter V8 twin-turbo engine as the Temerario production model, which has been re-engineered specifically in the area of forced induction, with redesigned turbocharging components to comply with GT3 regulations and deliver peak performance under race conditions. The Temerario GT3 is the first racing derivative of the Temerario project, further emphasizing Lamborghini's strong commitment to motorsport as a key tool for promoting our brand, stated Stefan Winkelmann, Lamborghini chairman and CEO. Following the sporting and commercial success of the Huracan GT3 project, with which we won 96 championships and sold over 200 units, we have always envisioned racing derivatives from the very inception of the Temerario project.